Good morning and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name's Jenna Ellis.
And I'm Ryan Underwood.
Paulo de Sousa is a Brazilian lyricist and novelist, and a member of the Brazilian Academy of Letters since 2002. His novel The Alchemist became an international bestseller, and he has published 28 more books since then.
He points out that whenever you want to achieve something, keep your eyes open, concentrate, and make sure you know is exactly what it is you want. No one can hit their target with their eyes closed.
Calling all martial arts artists, MMA Club meets every Thursday during lunch in Miss Duke's room, 450, on Math Campus. We welcome anyone interested in learning more about martial arts or sharing their expertise. No experience is necessary. See you on Thursday.
ASL Club will have their first meeting this Wednesday in room 385 during lunch. Come make friends with other ASL users and enjoy a fun atmosphere. You do not need to know ASL or be an ASL student to join the club.
Did you miss out on Last Generation's audition last Wednesday? Well, no worries, because they will be holding another audition day this week, Wednesday, August 31st, in the dance room at 3:15. Bring water and comfy clothes. See you there!
Freshman reception, the Hey Baler Hoedown, will take place on Friday, September 9th from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tickets need to be purchased through the Baler web store or at the Student Payment Center. No tickets will be sold at the door. Prices are $7 with ASB and $9 in general. Don't miss the first dance of this school year.
Joke break!
My teachers, they have told me that I would never amount to anything, but I have told them, just you wait.
It's time to buy your Baler pack. The cost is $115, and it includes a yearbook, an ASB stamp card, and a Baler bag. The ASB stamp gets you into all home games for free, and discounts for many other events. This amazing deal is only available until October 7th in the Student Payment Center and online. If you only want your ASB stamp, those are available for $45 at the Student Payment Center and online. Go Balers!
It's time for the Powder Puff update. There are 14 spots left on the freshman team, 18 spots on the sophomore team, 3 spots left on the junior team, and the senior team is full. There are still spots available for cheerleaders on all teams. The Google Forms apps are available on the ASB Instagram linktree and on the school website.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember,
Go Balers!